She kept hearing unusual sounds coming from her dryer vent, and it didn't take long for her to suspect that something or someone had moved in without permission. So she unhooked the entire vent pipe, dragged it outside, and asked her neighbor to help uncover whatever was hiding inside. But getting it out was far more difficult than she imagined. Whatever was in there seemed to know exactly how to cling on and avoid dropping out. After trying multiple methods, she finally used a trick that forced the mystery guest to reveal itself, and the surprise waiting inside was nothing like what she expected.